everyone, Katrina here, and today we're going to tackle this log equation and find a super easy and simple answer. Let's begin. So in our previous video, we talked about log rules. Let's see if we can apply any of them here. The first thing when solving this equation over here is to note that the bases are the same. If we have logs that have the same base and they're separated by an addition, that means that we can probably use the addition rule. However, in this problem, we have coefficients in front of our log. So in order to apply the addition rule, these coefficients have to go away. So how can we rewrite this equation in a way that these coefficients are no longer bothering us? Let's take a look at that. We can apply the other log rule that says that you can take your coefficient and put it up into the exponent. So let's start with that. Now we have log 5 to the power of 2 plus log 16 to the power of 1 over 2. Now we're ready to use the addition rule. So the addition rule states that we can combine these two logs since they have the same base and then multiply the arguments. So let's look at that. That means that we are going to have log base 10 of 5 squared multiplied by 16 to the power of 1 over 2. Let's see if we can simplify this any further. So we know that 5 squared equals to 25 multiplied by 16 to the power of 1 over 2. Well, having something to the power of 1 over 2 is the same as taking the square root of that number. And we know that the square root of 16 is 4. So look already how much this expression is simplifying for us. So now we have log 10 of 100. Okay, so we know as an aside that if you have a log which base equals to argument, so if b equals to a, so imagine this is your a over here, then it equals to 1. So let's see if there's any way how we can rewrite this 100 so that it equals our base. So we know that we have log base 10. We can rewrite this as 10 to the power of 2. That way our base argument here equals to the base of our log. And then we can apply our other handy log rule, which tells us that we can take whatever's in the exponent and put it back into the coefficient. So now we end up with 2 log base 10 of 10. And following our rule on the side here, if our base equals to our argument, then that whole term equals to 1. That's amazing. So then this whole term here simplifies to 1. So that means that our final answer equals to 2 times 1, which just equals to 2. Wasn't that easy? If you found this video interesting, drop a like below and comment any questions that you have. Subscribe for more fun and interesting math videos. I'll see you next time.